Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. This video is about Nasdaq. Let's get started. I'm going to take you back to July 23rd, 2023. This is the chart I made based on the harmonic pattern. It's called crab pattern, whatever, but this is how it looks like. Yeah. Uh, I basically look at this pattern as an Elliott wave. But yeah, some people want to see it, so I just make it anyway. So this is, yeah, and they work, to be honest with you, right? This is wave 1, 2, 3, basically. I'll show it to you in a minute. So this is very crap, right? So the calculation is for 61% B point, and D point is 161%. So it's from 61 to 161, and C point is in between A and B. So that's how it is, right? So look at this. That this was not this was man was up. Where am I? Here. So now this one, you can see here clearly that XA, then B was at 61%, C point was in between A and B, and then D point is at 161%. So I said we're going to drop here to this rising TL and this number here, this highlighted 143.82, right? If this number is going to stop it and send it back to this number. So this is what happened. This chart is on October 4, 2023. And it came down exactly where I said that it's going to come down here. So 143.82, and the TL hit. Now I said, okay, from this, I think this came down a little bit more to this level here, right? This 140.78. Yeah, I was expecting here the bounce from this, but it's 140.78 is another number on the left. So it came down all the way there. And now from bouncing, I said, okay, from here it's going to bounce, right? And then go back to 5. So it's start to bounce here. Then this is in November 2023. And then in February 2024, you can see that we bypasses this. We hit the number, we broke above it, and we were going towards this. Now, there is no level. This was all-time high. We broke above it, and now there is no level to work with. So what we have to work with is the fib tool, right? So if you pull the fib from top to bottom here to see the extension level is 127 is right there. So I said, now first level is 127, and then see what happened at that number. Usually we get a bounce from there, right? So it was there going to that number, and finally we hit that number very close. You still didn't hit it, right? And then finally we hit that number, right? On March 23rd. So 127 extension number was hit. So then I made the chart that's going to drop back to 167.64. So what happened to this chart is this started coming down exactly from there, and then came down here very close to this 161.64, and then to this high here, and then it went up again, touching this high. Now it's poking into 127 and trying to go up above it, right? So now what's going to happen? So fib number is gone. There is no SNR level. If 5 finished, or is going to go even more further to the upside. Now looking at the smaller time frame, for example, this chart, this is the same chart, right? But if you look at the 40-minute chart that I use normally, this is what I see here right now. So this was the rise after the upping rise. So this is from where? From here, right? So it started to go up, and that's what happened here. It started to go up, then came back, and then went up. Now, what the heck is that? This is something like this: wave 1, 2, and then wave 3, right? So this is exactly what's happening, and followed by wave 4, by the way, right? So this is wave 3, and it will be followed by, what the heck? Okay, like this, wave 4, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, so this is what I think that's gonna happen here. So we're gonna drop from there for wave 4. Now this one looks like it's 3 wave, 1, 2, 3, or basically A, B, C. If this is that case, this is A, B, C, then that means this is wave A, this is A, B, C, B, and this is C. Now, C usually do not go up to 161. C ends up most of the time like 100% over 127 level, but this went all the way to 161, which is the characteristic of wave 3. So what is it? This wave, these big moves saying that this is wave three. This phenomena here, ABC, saying that this is A and B correction. So or mix and match, right? So I would say that if it is wave three, it's gonna drop. If it is wave C, it's gonna drop anyway. So the next stop is a drop for wave four, or if this is ABC, it's going to come down here all the way for wave one, then followed by wave two, and then three, four, five to the downside. Is that going to happen? I don't know. The situation right now, stock market is very strong. It's keep going to the upside. So I think that this could be wave three, followed by wave four, and then one more push to the upside again for wave five. Right. So this is what we are standing here. This is what my analysis is. Let's see what happens. Right. So manage yourself accordingly, prepare yourself, and use whatever the system you use to make the entry. I use my 40-minute chart, which is looking like this, for example, and you can see that how easily, how easy and how good no, this is, sorry, this is S&P 500. That's what I'm saying, that how it looks something different. So now, see, this is how it moves, right? Right above the red line, it's just like coiling the spring again, right? Coiling, and then all of a sudden let it go, and boom, it goes up, right? Similarly, before that happens, around the red line, and then it goes up. Around the red line, it retraces around the red line, coiling the spring, and then goes up. You see? Again, here, see this? Around the red line, coiling, touching the red line, and then boom, it goes up. So that's exactly what I would be expecting, that this is right now, we're supposed to be going down. So it will do the same thing, but opposite direction. It will go drop here and then coil around this red line, but below red line, and then drop further to the downside if we are going to go for this wave. Right now, it dropped, and whatever it's doing is this few red candles. So we have a long way to go down if we are going to go down for wave four. Okay, this is where I stand. Anyway, it's gonna drop some, right? So let's see if I'm right. So far, so good. Since last year, I've been tracking this thing step by step, saving the charts, and I'm right on the dot. So let's see what's next here, right? So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you want my system, or if you want to learn all this mumbo jumbo, everything is on my website. Let me see if I have it here somewhere open. This is okay. This is the Harmonic Pattern course here. I have. Let me just go back to main. See, this is a monthly subscription, yearly, 6 month, whatever. This is one-on-one coaching. This is the best one. If you sign up for that, you get my EAs, both of them. CTS 5 and CTS Snapper, the one that I just made, a new one. They both will come with it and for free. And one-on-one coaching, you become master of this business of trading, not only forex but indices, commodities, metals, every single thing that you can open with MT4 to use my system to make the entry and learn how to do the analysis, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, SNL level, trend line, channels, all that. And then life becomes easy. Trust me, this course, 10-hour course, and this will, that's all you need to understand this trading business and do the trading profitably for the rest of your life. So I encourage that to get it and learn, and then get these EAs. These EAs are like, if you once you do the analysis and you know that this thing is going to the upside, just drop the EA in that direction, long only, short only, and whenever the setup is ready, even if you are sleeping, it will take the setup. It will place the SL, TP, everything, whatever you suggest. It will do that, and even if you are out or sleeping, it opens the trade when you are not available, and if the setup is available, then automatically the trade is open. So that's how I catch a lot of extra trades using these EAs, because I gotta sleep and I gotta go out sometimes, right? But before I go, I make sure that I know the direction, which direction is which one is going, which direction, which pair, and then I drop the EA on that, and that's it. Simple as that. So I learn to do the analysis and catch the direction. Then second thing, drop the EA when the volume time comes, and boom, the rest it will do it on its own. Okay, so this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get my videos on time. And bye for now, and talk to you guys later. In the next video, I will make it maybe a S&P 500. Okay, all right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.